Hello people, just a quick intro there. We're back at, well I'm back at haughtongreen bothy, waiting for Joe and our Christopher. Is a new one. He used to come out with us a while ago, but things changed and he stopped coming out for a bit, so it's the first time he's been out in a bit of a while. Wish I brought my gloves now, like it's freezing. Got coal, 10 kilos in this. I must be carrying about 45, nearly 50 kilos in this bag. It's absolutely chocker. It's going to kill us. And then they're expecting to carry at least one of these bags down for them when they come. I don't know, like, not with my hands being the way they are. Anyway, so we're back here. Come along and, I mean, this one should be a bit funny, like, because these two are nuts. So I'll try and capture as much as I can, try and make it as fun as I can, and I'll bring you along the road down here, because obviously I'm on my own, so I'm gonna talk to you. Enjoy it if you want, if you can, please do. I've got a new tent courtesy of Butcher Boys and Adventures. He sold us it for dead cheap, so thank you for that. I'm planning on stopping again tomorrow, so I might knock the bothy off tomorrow and not staying there again. I might set this tent up because I'm dying to try it out. Just going to all depend on food, water, whatever's left over tonight. Hopefully it's a good one. It's 2 nights is better than one. So if that's the case, tomorrow will be on my own. Yeah, that's it. Come along. There's the first one. Just nearly done a keyring. So we've pretty much done a keyring. You see. Artex! You're seeking Artex! Not ideal. Got to dodge all these. You're always going to walk that way, and that's just as bad. This is the smallest drum. I'll just in funk. Handle seems to be starting to rip, so I've got to bounce. It's not very comfortable, but it's working. Tell you, I wish I'd took a stop off it, go outdoors and getting some gloves. Hands are numb. Let the bairns use them when we had that snow, and I don't know where they've gone. They've just disappeared. Anyway, new gloves needed, but it's mint. I love it up here. Anywhere up here is mint. It just seems to be a bit better when you go to a bothy, when you've got loads of wood and coal and that. Keep it nice and warm. Enjoy it. Tell you what though, when you brought 4 stubby cans, because then you had all this weight in my bag. I think I'm going to regret that later. When I go back to the car and go to the off licence. I think I'm nearly there. Not too far now. Knackered like. All fun and games. Must be about mad. Carrying the freaking 10 kilos of coal and this wood on my back. Letting them two share a bag. Was comfortable, now it's not. Freaking hell. There, somewhere like that. Ew. I'm not bothered. Well, I am. But it's going to keep us warm, and that's the main thing. About halfway there now. Plenty of places to camp in a tent, like. Plenty. Good, like. Hang on. I'm going to have to go because something feel this gun on one side. There is a zebra crossing. What about a sheep crossing? Go down through them. I hope they're friendly. Having a breather. Just for 2 minutes or something. take them logs off my freaking shoulders. God, I wish I'd weighed my bag properly and found out how much it was, because this is a lot. And these Bergens aren't comfortable to carry at the least. But I'm nearly there. I'm only around the corner, literally, like, sort of like, and I'm there. Done alright, only to stop once, you know. Usually have to stop about 3 times. Nearly stacked it twice, I think. Very like, just a slip, just a quick slip. But it's all about the recovery. I just get in there, could smell food. I was like, oh, someone in. Breakfast. So there's 2 fellas there. It's 1:15. 2 fellas in there. Not long woke up, just having the breakfast. So it'd be nice and warm for us. There's wood there being prepped as well, left. I wonder if they've done it, like, but I don't know. But it's typical. We carry all this extra weight for the wood, and people before that's already done it. Never mind, at least we'll not have to use it all, and there'll be some left over for the next person. It's the main thing. I didn't even realise this bit of the, was he like just crossed over a fence, little step. It's canny. But I thought I'll just leave them to it, go for a little wander and a look around instead of bothering them. So I just hoid my bag in there, left my bag, left the wood and that. Things sound from Concert and Gateshead they were. The only thing is, right, when people ask you, oh, where have you walked from? Just down the road. I've only walked 2 miles or something. Sounds cheeky, sounds like, not cheeky, but soft. No, I'm not going for a very hike with nearly 50 kilos of weight in my bag and that. You're mad. But it's kind of nice, lovely. You can see it there. And if I can zoom in on the front now, can I? Just where we are. Well, yeah, maybe you can see it. There it is. It's wide open up here, like. Be nice to do a long hike. I mean, look at this. Get over them mountains, over them hills. There's a road just there, like a path road thing. I'll take you most of the way. Get on top of them. Hell of a little camp there, like up that. Even on this side here, right on that peak, right on that ledge, on whatever you want to call them, I don't know. But there's loads of places, even here, just like up against the wall or something, keep the wind off. Belta. I'm going this way. Might have a little walk back up there. I don't know. Walking the trail twice. They can deal with it. I'm not going to help them. I've carried that wood all the way down. I said I was going to leave it for them. And soft me, so I'll carry it all. I've left 1 bag in the car just in case they do stop again, and I can just walk to the car and walk back. But I don't know, I really don't know what I want to do, bothy or tent, I don't know. Now that I'm here though, I'm feeling like definitely 2 nights. So just keep tuned and see. I might even split it into two videos anyway if I do that. So if you're seeing this, I'll leave something at the end of the video to say whether I've done another one or not. That way you'll know. Anyway, I'll hide it somewhere so you've got to watch. No, all fun and games. Right, I'll bring it back. I tell you what, I'll leave you alone. I might take some photos, give you some. I've left me drone in there, like. Take some photos and then I'll bring you back when they come. I've been here ages, and the 2 fellas that way, I've just been having a crack on with them. They were here for about an hour, but Joe's attended.
Hello.
Our Chris is attended. He's out there somewhere. So now it's bothy time. So anyone who hasn't seen it, not a lot left over, apart from the rubbish and stuff. See what goodies we've got. Oh, we've got Scotch broth, gravy granules.
Any alcohol in there?
No, that's what I was wondering. What's in there? Potato, onion, tea bags, salsa. I wouldn't want to touch that. Mint sauce of all things. Super spicy noodles. Not a great deal. Not a lot of goodies there. But there we are. Happy days. Time to get settled in.
Get stripped off.
Alright.
Alright.
Get everything sorted. Get the fire away. Get the food.
Oh.
Get the food on.
That's nice, eh? That's absolutely sweating there.
Bring you back later. Right then, got all the food. Got 2 tables full of scran and drink. There's only 3 of us, still we're fat. Whoa, blaring. And that handle's warm now. Got the coals on, nice and hot. Jesus Christ, it's warm. Where's the glove? Someone's gnashed the glove. Oh, that's great.
No, I haven't seen a glove yet.
No, neither have I. Never mind.
Use them tongs?
Eh?
Tongs?
Oh yeah, that's what we used last time, wasn't it? Never mind. Right, so, dinner time now. Tea time, dinner time, tea time. So we'll start this. There we go. Always carry a carabiner. Bring that to a boil, stick the sausages in. Put the lid on, boil it down, get the gravy granules in a bit, and then the final touch, the old baked beans. Put my cowboy stew. Get some of that in you.
Is there going to be enough room for the sausages in there?
Sausage. Should be once it boils down a bit. Candingo! Oh, get copyrighted for that one.
What?
Candingo. Mandingo. Stand at the door. Might not get copyrighted. They've got the music blaring in there. Got my slippers on. Nice and warm in there now. We've had to open the doors though. It's got a bit smoky. Fire alarm started going off. The smoke alarm, sorry. And just shit ourselves. But no, really good night. Really good night. Really good evening. It's not even 4:30 yet. Drinks down, food's nearly done. Get the food in us, finish the drinks, get the snacks on, and then just sit and just talk waffle probably. But up now, like I say, really good. It's far better with people. Like if I was on my own, I'd be in there just listening to the radio by my Todd. with a really poor fire because I only have a little bit of wood. So really good, enjoying it, good stuff. And again, still light. Class. I think tomorrow, if I stay, I'll be going over there. Up on there, up on the ridge there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. That's where I think I'll go, in the tent. So I'm going to take in all the warmth I possibly can tonight and take it with us. Because I'm going to be kind of cold tomorrow. Especially after glamping tonight. It's pretty much what it is, isn't it? Glamping. So I hope you're enjoying it up to now. Not really recording much, to be fair, because I can't record off the stuff that they're talking about. Music blasting, I get copyrighted left, right and centre. Just yeah, just have to deal with stuff like this if you're interested. A bit more later, hopefully, when it starts to get a bit dark. Over and out. We've had some bratwurst on the fire.
I don't want to feature in this one.
Yeah, I'm featuring in it.
Nah.
Nice.
I don't like a feature anyway.
No.
He hates Peter Starmer.
I want to assassinate him.
He's gonna get took down.
Oh, come, you can't say things like that now.
Oh.
Gosh, especially if you're white.
The hurting,
Christopher.
the hurting words police will come after us.
Christopher Kennedy. There you go.
Bring it on. Don't care.
Oh, it's lovely, this. Still got that brewing up. Tin of bean warming up. Good bit scran. It's starting to get dark now. Doesn't feel too bad drinking now.
Actually, it's getting quite dark outside.
Sure, I just said that.
Yeah.
Banging. How these bratwursts are nice on the fire. Like I said earlier, not going to be much content in terms of like things happening because these have got the music down. I just had to tell them to turn it down. Shan't do this. But sausage on camera. We're fine, man. What's warm? Blaring, warm. I'm still in my shorts. So is our Chris.
Got to show me sexy legs off.
Must be a Kennedy thing. Joe's got whiskey he doesn't like.
Finish it.
Aye, so good night up now, like. Oh, there we go, oh, man. All the funny faces there. Aye, cracking night. Been enjoying it.
No bratwurst.
Nice and warm. Nice and chilled out. We've all said the same thing though.
More drink.
More drink. We've all said the same. So that's it for now. Like I say, it's still really early. It's literally just 5 to 5. Got at least another 6 hours. 5. 4, probably 4 for me. I might go to bed early. I might go to bed at my normal time, 9 o'clock.
I don't go to sleep until midnight.
You're a disappointment, Emily.
Yes.
I go camping so I can sleep. I've got 2 kids that don't sleep. I go camping so I can rest and recharge.
He needs his own man cave, doesn't he?
A man cave, that wouldn't make a difference though.
The only thing in this man cave would be a fucking
You
beach.
just go to sleep in there.
Well, no, unless I've got 7 locks on the friggin' door and soundproofed.
Why?
Get your words out.
Soundproof. Otherwise, they'll keep us awake and I wouldn't get stop it. Right then, dinner time.
Yeah, man.
Been waiting for this. I'm the only one that's got beans in, I think.
Yeah. Well, that's mine.
Can't say no.
So if there's some horrible smells during the night, we know them.
It's me.
What was you anyway?
I know. I do the farts and the smell.
One with a bun, mate.
Better bring in the butter.
Nah.
Oh, well, buns and all. Fire's blaring. Food's scadding. It's nice, you know. Everybody else is verdict on it.
Sausage.
Nice body count this, like. Dippy dip dip, dippy dip dip.
I'll make masala.
Yeah. Talking about the juices with it. Don't put a little bit too much water in. Oh, this is what you want in a body, like. Good bit cowboy stew.
Darth Vader over there.
No. Luke. Cracking. Good scram. Cooking for 4 hours on that little blazer. Mixture of coal and wood. Got a lovely bit of heat in there, you know. Smoke's starting to disappear. You forget. Look at the socks in the towel. It's that hot, it's me. Gonna be a cosy night. Uh-oh. We've done it again. Move. It's not even that smoky. Oopsie. We did a whoopsie.
I don't fair why the fucking music is playing.
I'll open the door.
It's actually kind of working in all that.
It's because you've left the friggin' thing of the front open. Oh, go lock in. In that.
Nice to know something else.
Put it up. Ah, who's done that? Let me hear it.
I just think you walk with you.
Doesn't look that bad.
Go take a picture of this.
Time for a movie.
Movie night?
Yeah. I brought the bloody 10.5 inch fucking tablet up. Get the movies on.
We are now closer than we have ever been.
Fire.
That's mine.
Some are already calling it.
I'll bring 1,000 more, baby.
Just bringing you back.
Before I am through.
Fire's still burning away.
It's gonna look like we're watching
Yours and yours and
Fire's still
It's gonna
going.
look like we're watching a
It
portal,
does.
isn't it?
Oh, there you go.
I'm bad to the bone. I'm bad to the bone.
Living in luxury in this body tonight.
It's cinema night.
Got the heating on gas Mark 7.
Kia's getting no tax off that, the fucking spetty cunt. Fucking rat.
If you heard that, you heard that. I'm not going to repeat it. Fire's gone canny. I'm right next to it. I'm burning on my left hand side. What a night. What a night. Belta night. Look at that fucking daft cunt. Play with a knife. Oh, ew! That was close.
Close but no cigar.
We already had one.
Oh yeah. Get that camera off me,
Going on 9:15. Joe's well asleep. Me and Chris is up watching Dog Soldiers. Fire's still blaring. We're all quite, I don't know whether we're drunk or whether we're tipsy and happy or whatever, but we're feeling it. But this tablet that I will last got, absolute belter, like. It's coming out with me more often, 100%. Class. There's old Chris. Back. I'm still in my t-shirt and shorts, it's that warm. Got this place blaring, haven't we?
Fucking freezing outside.
Freezing outside. He's just been out for a whittle. It's freezing outside. It's warm as toast in here. It's what it's all about.
I hope I give you the shits, you fucking wimp.
Morning after the night before. I've woke up. It's about 8 o'clock. Come out there, down to the toilet. The Kazi. Frosty this morning. Like a nice mildew frost. It's all like a dull white. It's all tweed. It's nice though. Fog. Quite dense as well. Sheep have come up. Just beyond them trees they are. The sheep knocking about this morning. It's quite a nice morning actually. It's not too cold. But we had that bothy proper toasty last night, like. I think there's a couple of sore heads, given the fact that we didn't actually have that much drink. We're all feeling it this morning, I think. I know I am, for some reason. I had plenty of food as well. But I only had my hip flask and 4 little stubby cans. That's all I had. Quite odd. Don't normally feel that rough. That drunk after that little amount and this rough. Something like that. But that's it. It's my morning rant. I was at the Kazi. Drop me the kids off. I'll bring you back later on. Breakfast at the bothy. These have got them on the sticks. Put mine in a pan. Beans, water out the stream so we can clean all the stuff off because we've all run out of water. There's a water butt outside which is about that full and it's all frozen, so it's no good. So I walked out to the stream, but it's not drinkable. I pulled it out, it's yellow. It's no chance. So just heating it up. It's a very washing up liquid here, so just to clean the pans. I'm gonna walk to the car with these when we're ready to leave. I'm gonna go restock water, get some gloves, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna head over towards the hill bit, the hills and all the open. Get in the MSR that I got off Cowboy. Get that tested out on me little bit lonesome. So stay tuned for that. That'll be probably in the next video. But all in all, cracking night, I think. I had a good drinky poo, good scran, good night's sleep, 2 films, movie night at the bothy. It was a bit surreal, like, but quite enjoyed it. That's not beck water, that's the last bit of the water I had left. So, bring you back later on, probably on the walk back or on the leave, when we leave, clean up and show you about. Not really much to do today because we're all a bit foggy in the head. I don't know whether that was the smoke that filled the room twice, set the friggin' smoke alarms off, or whether it was the drink. But like I said, we didn't really drink that much, so I didn't understand how we're all a bit ropey. Well, me and Joe Chris seems to be all right, but he's a fragaholic, him. That'll do for now. So over and out, and see you soon later. Sausage and bean, buddy. Done on that. It took friggin' ages then to over here. I tried to do mine in the pan, and the fire went friggin' crap. Well, I got there. Scram. Right, all cleaned. I've cleaned the fireplace out, so it was absolutely chocolate with ash. Swept up. Everything's clean and tidy. Got the bag, rubbish bag. Found a foil blanket, so I've folded it up a bit and stuck it there. Happy days. Belta very nice. Let's get this door shut, keep that last bit of warmth in. Fantastic. Aye. All locked up, all shut and all done and all tidy and all clean. Now off to the car. I'm going to get some water, get some bits and pieces, and I'm coming back. Look at this, Dibby.
Can't claim me.
Thinks he's SAS. So, off we pop. Toodaloo. Just in case. Oh, no.
Easy.
Last time he'd done, that's where he'd done the army roll. Shame.
I'm nimble now.
I'm sadistic, mate. I try and catch all years doing mistakes. Car's just down there. This will be the end of this video.
Just need to swim the rest of the way.
I just need to swim the rest of the way. But been a really good time. Nice and warm, proper toasty. Next time, I think definitely cold next time. Take cold again. Keeps it a lot warmer. If you've enjoyed it and come this far, thanks. Subscribe, like, whatever you want to do. I don't care. I do care, but I don't care. And that'll be it. Right, guys. Quick update. I won't be doing another night. 2 reasons. Closest to go outdoors for gloves is nearly an hour away. And I'm not doing another camp in this weather without gloves. Plus I need water and other stuff, because obviously I only came out to do one night and we burnt through everything food wise and water wise. So that's one reason. Second reason, the other half would prefer us home. The kids have been wanting us, and yeah, so the kids are a bit more important than camping, so I'm going home to see the kids. Well, I'm going to be out soon with Butchie. I might even get out on Monday or something, so we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.